Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Zillow Rental Manager. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to start by opening your web browser and going to Zillow Rental Manager, which I have here. Then, Zillow Rental Manager is designed primarily for landlords and property managers who want to manage the rental properties and the rental process from one place. Now, on the rental manager app, just go ahead and click on sign in, which is at the top right corner of the screen. And if you already have a Zillow account, you can sign in with your existing Zillow credentials, or it's just going to sign you in automatically. If you don't have an account, just follow the prompts to create one. So once you're signed in, you'll be taken to this rental manager dashboard, which we have here. The first major thing that you can do in rental manager is to add or create a listing. So just go ahead and hover over the rental manager. Here you have price my rental, listing, you have applications, you have leases, and you have payment. So you can click on posts. All right, post your listing, where you can now add or list a property. So click on post your listing. So here you are going to see a form which will allow you to enter the property street address, select the appropriate property type, and Zillow, of course, currently supports rental listings such as houses, townhomes, condos, apartments, and rooms for rent. So just follow the prompts to provide information about the property, including details such as the number of the bedrooms, number of bathrooms, monthly rent, available date, property description, amenities and features, pet policies, parking information, photos. Just take your time with this section because the information you provide becomes part of the listing renters see. All right. So here we're just gonna make do with an address and I'm just gonna use any kind of address. Okay, then the property tab, let me just go with a condo. A unit number, let me say 4, and I'm just gonna do correct listing. So is this information complete or correct? If the address is correct, okay. All right, so I just don't even know. Just go ahead and click on confirm. So it's going to take you to the next window. So just ensure that this, I'm just doing actually test run, but actually just ensure that you have everything in detail. So now you have all of the steps to go through. So let's start creating a listing. The square footage, 6. Okay. Total bathrooms. I'm just gonna deal with that. Then next, how much are the base rent? Say $5,000 per month. Security deposit is optional. Do you want a special offer? You can click on add an offer if you want to add. Then we're selecting photos. I'm just going to have to click on anything. Okay. All right, that image doesn't, you can just add a couple of more pictures. All right, picture adding up. And next, I'm going to click next. Enter amenities. Okay, what should I include? Washer, dryer, wall, window, central. I'm just tapping anything that comes to my mind. Okay. Tile furnished. So I'll click on next. Parking. Okay, let's attach garage, balcony, disabled access, bicycle. I have additional amenities. So minimum income. Okay. All right. Say no, pets are not allowed. Additional fees, do you charge? No. I'm gonna skip that. Show the final details, lease terms, any lease terms. I was gonna say be safe. Do you require insurance? No. All right. Next. Review listed by property owner, name that, and I just click on next. So I have to verify your phone number at the end of the day. So putting your phone number. So this is where it all gets dicey. Now you have to enter a phone number and it's going to be verified. Once it's verified, you just go ahead and click on publish and you see that your rental will go live. Now, Zillow says that rental listings can be distributed across its rental network, including Zillow, Trulia, Hotpads, helping landlords reach prospective renters. And once the listing is live, interested renters can view the property and contact you. Now, once your listing starts attracting renters, rental manager becomes a central place for handling those interactions. I'm just going to click on save and exit, right? So it takes me here. But if you publish it, you don't need to click on save and exit. It's just that I don't want to publish it yet. That's why that's there. Okay, so Zillow's current rental manager includes a lead management area designed to organize rental conversions, applications, and follow-up steps. So just use this area to keep, which we have here. Just go ahead and click on leads. So this is where you can keep track of prospective renters and respond to inquiries. So instead of having conversations scattered across different platforms, you can actually use Zillow's messaging tools to communicate with people interested in your rental by clicking on messages. Now, if you want prospective tenants to apply online, you can just go ahead and open the application section for your property. Now, Zillow currently gives landlords 2 ways to accept applications. You can enable applications so interested renters can apply directly from the listing, or privately invite specific renters to apply using a shareable application link. And when applications are enabled on the listing, renters can select apply now and submit their information. You can also send an application invitation to someone who found your property through another source. So when an applicant completes their application, you can just go ahead and open the application section for the property. So you just go ahead and click on property. So just go ahead and click on the property, the listing itself, head over to application. This is where you can now manage your applications. You can send application link. You can click here to copy so people can apply directly. So you can review the applicant submitted information and available screening reports. You can view them here. Zillow says its application and screening process can include information such as credit information, background check, eviction history, and income information. So just review the information carefully and apply your rental criteria consistently. Also remember that landlords must comply with applicable fair housing and other landlord-tenant laws when evaluating applicants. Now, Zillow itself emphasizes the importance of complying with applicable fair housing laws. Well, after selecting a tenant, Zillow Rental Manager can help with lease management. So if you already have a lease, you can click on leases here to check. Zillow allows landlords to upload an existing lease. All right, you can click on get started. Add digital fields and send it for electronic signatures. So to upload an existing lease, Zillow's current instruction indicates that you can go to the manage tenants area here where you click on leases and you can upload existing lease, clicking on get started to get started. And then you can use Zillow's tools to add or edit items such as dates, text fields, checkboxes, and signature placeholders before sending the lease for signing. After your tenant moves in, you can use the rental manager to collect rent online and by going to the payment section. All right, so Zillow's current instructions say to enter your tenant email address, after which Zillow sends the tenant an invitation to complete the payment setup. So go ahead and click on start collecting rent to set up. Once the tenant accepts the invitation and completes the setup, they can make payments through Zillow. Rental manager can be used to collect rent and other eligible payments such as utilities and moving fees. Now you can also monitor your rental from the dashboard. At this point, Zillow Rental Manager becomes a central management hub for this property. Now, depending on the features available to your property and account, you can use it to manage listings, applications, leases, payments, maintenance, leads, messages, just a whole lot more. So you can go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.